In this video, we'll learn how solar panel works and break down the fascinating science behind solar panels in the simplest, most visual way possible. Let's unlock the engineering behind clean energy. Have you ever wondered how a simple solar panel turns sunlight into electricity? Let's break it down in just 1 minute. Solar panels are made of tiny units called photovoltaic cells, usually made from silicon. When sunlight hits these cells, tiny particles of light, called photons, knock electrons loose in the material. This movement of electrons creates an electric current. This process is known as the photovoltaic effect, and it's the basic science behind solar power. However, this electricity is in the form of DC or direct current. But homes and appliances use AC, alternating current. That's where the inverter comes in. It converts DC into AC, making the power usable. And that's it. Solar panels convert sunlight into clean, renewable energy using nothing but science and the power of the sun. Now this clean electricity can run your home, charge batteries, or even be sent back to the power grid to reduce your bill. Which topic should I cover in next video? Please comment below.